Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna play an Animal Company with my best buddy, Landon. There he
Hi.
is. And I am a noob at the game. He's not. So we're gonna go mine.
Puppy.
Because we're miners. Oh, oopsies. I found cheese. Cheese.
Don't eat it, bro. You'll get the cheese touch. Don't eat it. It's not working. Let me try eating it.
Watch you start dying. Get away from me.
What the freak?
Get juked. You're getting juked.
Cristiano Ronaldo Jr., bro.
Hit the line.
Mega Cube! It's back! It's back! Mega Cube's back!
Oh, what is that? I don't know.
That's OG. That's my best.
Miss Westy.
Alright, let's go mine.
Alright, I love
Or
miners.
planetarium.
I love miners. I didn't mean it. I meant like the people that mine for materials. Like Steve.
Make sure you have your grappler if you want to go planetarium.
Okay. So what should I have this out?
You should have out your grappler. Alright.
Oh.
Have out your grappler.
Gimme.
Because if there's any mimics or spiders, that's gonna be bad.
I hate you.
My fault.
How dare you? How dare you? How do we get rid of it?
Alright.
Because I don't want to have
Let's
the rest
go.
of my life.
How do you get rid of what?
The cheese touch. What do you think I'm talking about, pal?
You can't. You just have to hit someone. Alright, let's go.
Oh, bro, this kind of...
Alright, follow me if we're going planetarium. Follow me.
Yo, it got real dark. I can't even see right now.
Yeah.
I don't like this.
Alright, over here.
Yo, what? Whoa. I've only seen a couple J-Man videos.
Over here. You need help with anything. Hey, don't fall down there. I'm just gonna say this straight. It's a little big down there. Ooh, spider.
Ooh, spider, where?
Alright, watch out. There's a lot of spiders in here, so hang to the ceiling so they can't hit you. Yep,
Okay.
you hear it? Right there. Come here. Here's a spider.
Oh, God. And I only have a stick on
Alright, just climb.
He can climb! He can climb!
Yeah, I just now noticed that. Welcome to planetarium.
Ow. Help! Can it come
Welcome to
in here?
planetarium. Just so you know, do not go in the lava. The spider cannot spawn in planetarium. There's no monsters in planetarium. Alright.
Oh, Jesus!
Come here. Jump all the way down here and then grapple. Jump all the way over here and then grapple.
I'm here.
Look
My
at that, bro.
Yeah, it's probably gonna kill me.
You think?
Yeah, I only think so.
Hi, planetarium.
Oh my God. What the heck?
This is planetarium.
Oh my God.
Alright, here's where the research
Ew. No, this is crazy. Yo, what's going on? No, the gravitational pull of queso. Help.
Oh yeah, you're banned, buddy. Yeah, it's your last day in the stream. Have a good night.
Whoa, this gives you materials? I'm gonna pull out my my chest. Diamond pick.
The research place.
Pull out my trusty stick. Break already. It won't break. Oh my God, where'd it go? Oh, these are gems. Yo, my stick broke. My stick broke. My stick broke.
Alright, let me get a research point. I'll let you use mine. Nope.
Oh,
By the way, if you fall without a grappler.
your grappler. Oh my God. Here, I got it for you. Where are you? Here, your grappler. Do you want it?
I need that. Yeah, let me get back.
on top of the sun. It's on top of the sun. Here, no, I'm coming to you. Oh, okay, here you go. Here you go. Your grappler is up here on top of the crystal-y herb. Oh, what is this? Oh my god! What is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Where'd you go?
I am Steve. My grappler is not working. Hello, I'm here. Hello, Spy. So I don't have a stick anymore because I broke mine.
Bro, I don't want research points. Stop giving me. I want research points, but I don't want.
Look, it's Queso's gravitational pull that's pulling me back in. It's Queso. Oh,
Get him out of here!
I'm coming back.
Yeah, no,
Please, what's going on? What's going on? Queso's gravitational pull is pulling me back to Earth. Help me! Oh, it's pulling me the creepy Earth. It's broccoli. Yo, what's this pink stuff on top of the Earth? Is this edible? Yo, Landon, what's this? I'm tiny! I'm tiny! Looky! Looky, I'm tiny! Hi! Hi! Oh, straight to Earth. Gravitational pull. I think this will make me big then, I'm gonna guess. Will it? Yep, of course it did. Or maybe just back to normal. Hold up, did it turn me back to normal size or am I massive?
After a little bit.
I think I need to eat it again. No. There we go. Guess what? I'm massive just like Ninja's low saber fate. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Bro, does it keep spawning on here or are you almost done? Last one.
I swear if it does not give me a research point, I'm done. Supply crate! It's a supply crate! Yay, these are so fun.
I grab it. I'm grabbing it. Let go of me. Ugh.
Better come here if you want.
I'm good. I don't want anything. I'm going to be tiny again. Oh, my back. Yo, what's this? No, go. Yo, little Tabby poppin'. What's up? I grab your grappler. What? I'm dipping. Adios. Oh God.
Let's go mining, because I'm on miner.
Oh, finally, mine.
Are you going planetarium mine? Are you going planetarium mine?
I don't know. I mean, I don't have a stick anymore, so I can't mine. Where'd you...
Where the freak did you go?
You're the one that left me. I didn't even know you left. Oi. What is that? I'm trying to go slow and steady. I've never played this game before. I don't know what I'm doing. And you're over here just taking these massive leaps across the entire map. What the heck? Yo, I hate you. Alright, over here.
Let's go.
Oh, jeez! I overhit it. Where is it?
After this, do you want to go haunted?
Haunted? What? What's haunted?
Get up, spider.
Can you...
Man, I'll sacrifice my life for these.
Where is he? I don't see him.
Somewhere. Oh my god, this game.
Did it give you anything?
It gave me freaking stupid coins, bro. I don't need coins.
heck is
I just
that?
need freaking one
There's
research
a red gem. What's that? It's a big red gem.
lava crystal.
Ooh, lava. Chicky.
Okay, shut up.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Papa Senpai. Okay, I'm sorry.
Cookie senpai. Alright, spider. It's gone.
It's not here? Are you sure?
No,
Are you sure about that?
I'm sure about that.
What was that?
It's probably over there. Don't go in there.
I just heard like some messy music. Like no. Like some final boss music or something. What was that? So we're going back over here, or where are you going? I need a flashlight so
I'm gonna
bad.
go check over here. If he's over here, then I'm not mining these.
There he is.
Yo,
Oh my
got
God.
some blood all over you. You got some of you.
He did.
Yep.
Where'd you go? Where'd you
Come
go?
on. Come out. Where are you going?
Whoa! I about died. Are we jumping down? Oh my gosh, lava chicken. What is going on? I hear the lava. Is there a spider down here?
Maybe.
So why do we keep going lower and deeper, bro? I ain't liking this right now. I could probably do this in any public match, but in a private match I can't. Bro, what is going on? Oh my god.
No.
Nothing? Are you really sure about that? 'Cause
So
I'm about to come
how-
down. Oh, I already fell.
YouTube, I'm still trying to get one singular research point.
I'm so scared. I don't like this. I don't like this. Guys, did you know if you like... Oh,
Oh my god, I hate this game.
what was that? Guys, did you know if you like and subscribe, I will feel
crowbar.
twice as better?
Y'all should subscribe to Picturology.
See? He understands it. He understands it. He understands it now. Yo, where are we going? Oh my god.
Somewhere.
I need a flashlight so bad I can't see anything. Stop taking away our only light sources. Or I can't trust that the spider's not just gonna turn a corner. Okay, sorry. I'm standing on these walls. I mean, ceilings. Big bag, big bag. Big bag, big
Don't call me
bag.
Big Guy.
I should have big bag. Hey, we can both have cheese touch if I decided to eat that. That's not cheese. Never mind, I'm stupid. That's a gem. Anything that's cheese. Oh my god.
I'm gonna finger you so hard if you don't shut up.
Well, yo. Whoa, pals, man. I'm not gonna lie, I might cut that out. Where am I going? Meow. Meow. You hear that?
Guys, meet the autistic kid.
Sizzling.
He's red, by the way.
Lava. It's a supply crate. Look. It's that one. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Don't stop. Get it. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, my ears are so ringing, drumming from that. La.
Spider's coming here soon, I know.
What?
The spider's gonna be coming here soon, I know.
You can't keep getting away. What the heck is this?
Don't
that?
mind that, whatever you do. Just don't
I'm gonna mine it. You know why? Because ever since I was a child,
You don't have anything.
ever since I was a kid,
Honestly, I'm gonna leave. I'm out of this place.
I will bring me with you. Oi, mate.
No, I'll show you. I'll show you what that does.
Boom.
Here, take my crowbar and go mine this over here. Take my crowbar. I only have one hand, so it's alright.
You're gonna kill me.
Crowbar.
Oh, I know what's
Crowbar.
gonna happen. Crowbar
Hit
it.
it. Hit it.
Ah, I fell.
Just get.
Oh,
welcome back.
here you go. You can have the bag. Here, take it back,
I don't need it.
bro.
Please give me a research point.
Give me the crowbar then. I
Oh
want
my
it.
God. I'm still at 2, bro. I need one more.
I got a singular gem that entire trip. I'm so successful.
Maybe if you didn't mind that, I would get that. You know what that means? Microwave. Come here.
No, 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 no. I knew that was gonna happen.
Come here. I'll
Why are
send
you
you to
so
space.
mean
Come
to
here.
me?
I'll send you to space.
Boing. Get hit. You didn't even send me to space, little bro. You got juked.
Don't make me pull out my freaking RPG.
You didn't even hit me. What?
Alright, I'm pulling out. I'm pulling it
No.
out. I'm whipping it out.
You can't send me to space yet. It hasn't worked. Try again. Try again. One more time,
You
Wobo.
should. You want to go in here with me?
What is this? Where are we
Just
going?
go in here. Let's go.
Come
Come on, jump in. I'll jump in with you.
safety's first.
Alright. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Go.
It's gonna kill me. Okay.
Welcome to
Yeah, I don't like
storage.
this. I don't like this. I'm thinking, I don't like this. What the heck? I know none
Go
of
to
this
the
is
green.
mine.
Go to the green. Here, go to green.
Yo, help me! I'm flying in the sky. I think it would be a really good time to pull out and whip it out. No! There's no way I did that. Oh! Oh my god!
Welcome. I recommend having a grappler.
I dropped the grappler and the crowbar into the void.
Thank
I'm
God there's
sorry.
something in here that's good.
Something in here that's good. What do you mean? What is that?
You can buy grapplers here.
Oh. That's it?
I already bought you one, monkey.
I know. Oh. What is this? I want...
Hookshot. That's what the grapplers are called, hookshots.
Oh.
Alright, you ready?
I've been born ready. Ever since I was a... I forgot the... Oh!
Oh,
You didn't tell me there was a non-existent void down there.
yeah, it kills you if you get on there. Yo, come over here.
Yo, what is
Hey, watch
that?
out for bomb. Watch out for the bomb.
What is that? Bro, I went flying in there and I got
bomb.
terrified. Why is it a walking...
Alright, run.
How fast can you run? I'm terrified.
Welcome to the void.
Yeah, it echoes. Where'd you go? Stop trying to fake me out, bro. You go one direction and you pull up the other one. Where the heck are we going?
No.
There's no way. Did bro just die? Bro, did you just die? Landon? Hello? Yo. Landon. Can you hear me? Landon. Landon? Are you alive? Hello? I died. Landon, where are you?
I'm here.
Bro, can you answer your radio? I thought you left
I
the
have to go
game.
pee. Didn't. I have to pee so bad.
I'm gonna beat you. Oh, yes. Hey, come here. Come here. I got a surprise for you. Come out here. Guess what I found laying on the ground? Where are you? Landon. Okay. So I have nothing. Good to know. And I'm not gonna sell that. That would be just stupid. Probably kill me too. What's over here? Well, while we're waiting for him to get back from the bathroom, I'm gonna go over here. Dang it. I hate this game. I'm out. There we go. Lights back. Cheese tut. Mommy shark doo 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 doo. Mommy shark doo 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 doo. Mommy shark doo 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 doo. Daddy shark. Mommy shark doo 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 doo. He probably hates me. But where is he at?
Where are you?
There you are.
Oh my god, you scared me.
Hey yo, chill. Yo, I fell on one of the fans. I'm outside the mat. Oh, I'm falling. Here we go. I'm evading. I'm evading. Hulk smash! Right up here. So Sigma. Yo, where are you at? Landon? Hello? Landon. Landon.
So,
I swear to God, if you don't
are you still
answer-
recording, bro? Are you still
Yes,
recording?
I'm still recording. Why wouldn't you answer the freaking...
It'll make me shred your
probably
balls
just
off.
sped up the
It'll
entire
make me
video.
shred your balls off.
I probably just like sped up the entire video because that took so long. So, is there any other cool stuff in this game? Where'd you go? Dude, where'd you go? If he only went over here. Oh my god. I swear to God, if you're in here and
I said not to go in here, you idiot.
you didn't say anything, liar. What is this? Oh frick, I think I know what that is. I think I know what that is. Oh my god. I think I'm causing black holes. What have I done? Come on. I couldn't catch him. Dang it. Did he land on something? Nope. Ooh, monkey.
Should I join one of my friends and try to take your their items and give it to you?
No, that's stealing. Monkey.
It's fine. Just stay in this code. Stay in this code. Stay
Bro,
in
I
this code. I'll
swear,
be right
don't
back.
do it. Oh. He's really about to steal it from someone. Well, why is yawning? I was about to like look at some stuff. Kitten? Kitty. I ain't buying none of this. I mean, it's not like I can't buy anything of this. What is this? Oh. Gorilla. Hello! I'm a pug. I'm a German Shepherd. Cat. Frog. Kitten. That's pretty sick. But I'm out. And I'm back to being blue. This is awesome. There's another one right here. Yeah, what is goody, everybody? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be eating a 5-year-old. What's this? Ooh. Playing a virtual reality game with virtual reality headsets? Yo. One for what? Weird glow sticks? Nah. I ain't want that. What's this? Teleportation. Okay. Oh. I don't want to buy weird glow sticks though. What the heck? I don't want to buy a weird glow stick. Meh. This goes up real far. I think there's a whole map in here, right? Somewhere. Oh. Yeah, I just didn't remember crowbar. Wait, do I own it? I think I do. Oh my god, I think I own the crowbar. If I do, that is a whole game changer. I do. This game sucks. And this? I can buy, I think. You know, he's probably looking for me right now, actually. Actually, he's probably not. He probably is. Let's go back, I guess. Yo. Okay, he's not here. Oh, there he is. I'm sorry, did you... The heck did you steal from him?
A golden revolver. Put that in your stash, bro. Put it in your stash.
I'm gonna shoot myself. Where do I throw
Does it
this?
even have ammo on it?
Where do I put it?
In there. It puts it in your stash.
And how do I go retrieve it?
You press random buttons and then it'll be in here in your stash. So just
Does
throw
it have
in
to
there.
be the
I'll
same
dead
password
serious.
every time?
No. You can just put in random numbers.
So if I just go 9999. Ah! Wait, I have
Then you can select that.
Ben,
I do got this. What's up?
so I got the new egg
I totally
launcher,
did
by
not
the way.
steal a golden revolver from any of y'all.
Look, it's a
Totally
new
didn't.
egg launcher. You wanna try it?
How'd you get that? Yes,
I
sir.
got the factory.
Gimme.
Here, have this. That's ammo for it. It's the egg.
Oh my god.
It's called the egg RPG
Hey, Easton.
ammo.
Easton,
Wait,
you should
why
like go
did you
outside
do
safe zone.
this?
Easton, you should go outside safe.
Yeah, I should like probably not. I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, wait,
Easton,
hold on, bro.
Yeah,
Let's see if we
bro.
can blow it up with the stick.
Nice job, you two.
Yeah, that
You're
is
so
true.
smart.
How do I
You're
get
so
this stuff
smart.
out?
What's in it?
Oh, I get it.
Nothing.
Easton,
But guys, let's all have
want
egg
this.
launchers and let's have an egg launcher battle to the death.
I'm gonna give you
I missed.
And we all get shields.
Easton,
Bro,
come on,
Red,
bro.
have
I'm
that
gonna give you
shield?
something.
Bro,
I'll give you this.
bro,
I'll give you
bro,
this.
oh shit, have the
Is
shield.
that it? Is that it? How you miss that bat? Or did you shoot him? I can't even tell. Bro, this thing is massive. God dang.
Dude, guys, I'm trying to make a battle for us. If you don't want to have fun, do it yourself.
Come on, Easton. Grab an RPG. Grab
I don't-
an RPG.
And a shield.
Oi,
Grab
mate.
an RPG and a shield. Grab an RPG and a shield, bro. Bro, get a shield, bro. You need one.
I only have one hand. I can't.
Oh,
That's wild. Imagine only having
and
one
okay.
hand. Bro, I can barely walk around. Oh my god.
Start it.
Dang it.
Oh, I need ammo.
Dang
Can
it,
I get a
man.
pickaxe real quick, fast? I'm trying to
Your
get
game
one
is so
more research
unfair.
point. I need a pickaxe.
Oh, let me kill this
I get a
guy.
pickaxe.
Thanks.
Bro, what did I do?
I get a pick. You're so stupid.
Hey, I heard you been talking back behind my back. I mean, wait. Cheat ball.
What? You give me a freaking pickaxe?
Guys, you
Oh,
know
Jesus
something
Christ.
weird that they added. There's something weird that they added
Lingan
about
goody
that.
goody what
You know this ammo, right? This normal
Lingangu.
RPG ammo.
Lingan goody 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 what
They ruined the
Hi.
egg launcher.
Oh. How to reload? How to reload? How to?
You get me a pickaxe.
Please don't shoot me. Please don't shoot me. Please, I'm getting double teamed. Lingang goody 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 what's ling
Guys are about to
lang.
end
They'll
the
never catch
show.
me. They might catch me. Linganguli guli guli wataling. Lingangul. Linganguli guli guli wataling langul. Lingangul. Oh god! I didn't see you.
Oh, it's empty.
Loser.
Make me come back.
I gotta go before he catches me. Oh my god! No! What is that? The light. 'Cause tonight will be. No! Why am I so stupid? Monkey bot.
Wait,
Beep,
jump
beep,
into
beep, beep,
the Snash. You'll get free company coin. Jump in here, bro.
Oh yeah, really? I believe
Yeah.
you so much.
I know you're lying.
Yeah, he literally just took me in there and I almost died. So, nice try. Yo. Oh, I gotta put it
I
in
wanna
here.
kill.
No! Bad boy. Been a bad boy. I mean, we're in the safe.
I'm
Linganguli guli guli wataling
that
langu
barely even sent me in the air. Let me show you how high the egg is and the RPG is. Look, this is how high the egg is. This is how much the RPG is.
I think it killed him. Did Blood kill himself? I don't know, but I have to leave before he gets back.
That's how far.
Linganguli guli guli wataling langu lingangul linganguli guli guli wat. Oh guys, where are you? Monkeys, monkeys, where are you? Monkeys. Oh. Swim through the air. Is it loaded? Nope. Oh, guys, where are you? Oh, frick. Both empty? I thought I heard them. Are they? Is they existent? Nope. Well, guys, that was a great video. This is Animal Company. One of the most growth game in VR history. That's a lie. It was Gorilla Tag. But, I'll see you guys in the next video.